Hi, in this tutorial, let us review the basis for PIS and COFINS taxes for nota fiscal documents produced in Brazil for inbound cycle. The Brazilian legislation Extraordinary Appeal 574706 has amended the PIS and COFIN taxes calculation basis for nota fiscal documents produced in the country. J.D. Edwards Enterprise 1 Brazil Localization now supports the amendment of the new calculation basis for PIS and COFINS taxes, which excludes the ICMS tax. ICMS is not part of the sales price and does not fall into the acquisition value for PIS and COFINS credit purpose. According to the law, acquisition is not subject to PIS-COFINS and does not generate credits. Therefore, ICMS levied on sales is not subject to PIS-COFINS. Such an amount does not generate credits and thus needs to be excluded from the acquisition value. J.D. Edwards Enterprise 1 system supports this change as of Release 9.2. Navigate to the Purchase Order Processing Brazil menu G76B4311 from the Fast Path. Select Enter Purchase Order P4310 ZJDE 7001. Now add a record. Enter the branch and supplier details. Next, let's add item details and unit cost. On the PO header Brazilian Add Information form, update the suffix transaction nature. Now, update the transaction nature on the PO details Brazilian Add Information form. From the fast path, go to P4312 ZJDE 7001. Enter receipts by PO and search for created purchase order. Next, select the purchase order record and enter receipts by PO purchase order receipts form. Next, on the Nota Fiscal Revisions form, enter the Nota Fiscal number, Nota Fiscal series, and issue date. On the Work with Nota Fiscal Details form, enter the Nota Fiscal number, select NF record, and then select the Details Additional Info from the row exit. On the Nota Fiscal Additional Information form, verify the PIS and COFINS tax details. Note that PIS and COFINS tax bases are calculated according to the latest legislative change. To learn more about this Brazilian legislative change, access the Localization for Brazil Implementation Guide on Oracle Help Center or visit us online at learnjde.com. Thanks for watching.